in our lifetime on this planet. What together we can do, north and south, east and west, in all corners of the earth.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, race all of these broken dreams and flight. And we'll
So while it's nice and quiet, I thought I'd show you whereabouts we are. So we are here on the map, and if you notice, you see the Dordogne River running through. We're all set up. We've got the awning up. We've just had a nice lunch. Claire's sitting down there.
Hello.
And this is how close we are. Not bad, eh? I'm quite liking this. God, it's so warm. There you go. Not bad for the setup. And this is the warning we've got. It's the outdoor revolution. It's real spacious. You right there?
Yep. I can't look round, I'll fall off.
Building up a little bit of an appetite before some lamb chops tonight, I think. Some lamb chops on the frying plate. That should be quite nice. What a stunning area this is, the Valley of the Dordogne. Absolutely gorgeous. A good discovery there. And the main road coming up, so I'm going to turn around, yeah. All before tea time.
Find each other tonight. Everything will be alright. Don't hesitate. Let's find each other tonight.
Lamb chops.
This is possibly the best campsite that we've been to, I think, because you've got the river here, people are swimming in the river, and the good thing about this river is it's shallow. The facilities here are brilliant, the toilets are very, very clean, the location's brilliant. Got a couple of villages other than Beaulieu to go and explore. We explored the next village up, which was 5.5 miles to that village. And in that village is a Leclerc, so big supermarkets, and get all your bits and bobs there.
Each pitch has got its own little walkway down to the river.
But yeah, guys, this is a hell of a location. So when you come into the campsite, come down this long road, and it's just sitting down there. Just gonna go for a bimble round and take some pictures, we think. We'll wait for Mrs. O. Just up there behind the old church, that's where the campsite is. So it's only a 5-minute walk to whereabouts we are now. There's a lovely restaurant on the corner just here. We're eating outside on a terrace. Through the trees there's a big water park. So if you've got children, you can walk them across the little bridge that runs across there, that splits the campsite. And then you walk around the back of this campsite, which is over there, for the water park.
Right on those leaves, but hello.
Nope. So this is the village part of the Beaulieu. Campsite's just round the corner. Up the top there's loads of eating places. I'm trying to drag Claire away from pricing up a house. And the campsite's just round the corner there where that blue van just pulled out from. So, the village, the campsite.
We're going in the river.
Claire's got to find her water shoes. We've got some kids rubber rings which aren't too big. This is going to be fun. I don't like it now.
Alright.
Do you like it?
No.
Is this a good idea?
No.
How comes they've got really big rings? Oh, did you? Oh dear, I think we've got some learning to do then. What's that point? Lost me ring again. What's Claire doing? I can just see me going pop and walking back. See me doing the walk of shame when my ring blows up. Yeah, there's that bit we walked to yesterday with the bridge. That's really cool. I think this is it, people. This is where
Journey begins. Okay.
and this is going to go wrong, so I'm going to let you watch this bit. I'm now putting my bum.
Not going anywhere. No.
We're grounded.
Why are you going somewhere?
You gotta sit out. Out. Oh. Ow. Whew. Bloody hell, it's enough to take you down at a rate, isn't it? Right, let's get comfortable here. Out. Out. Ooh, rapids. Ah! 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 Exfoliating the ring. The ring. Although my ring has taken a hammering. There's Freddie in the background up there. Here we go again, people. Ow! 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 And Claire's off. Claire's off proper. Here she goes. Oh, here I go. Quick look underneath and see what the displacement is.
It's good for your abs.
Yeah, it's good for the core, this.
I can see it getting shallower.
If you find yourself getting a little bit bored in Beaulieu-sur-Dordogne, be sure to get yourself a blow-up ring and float downstream. Grow up. You're acting like you've never been downstream on a big blow-up ring before. So if you've got kids, put them on some rings and throw them up at that end, and then they'll meet you at the coast. Oh. Right, bit of concentration needed here. The rocks of doom are coming. Oh, how fast are we going? Oh, it's massive rock. Oh, that was lucky. This is the life. 36 degrees, floating along the river Dordogne in south central France.